A Christian Academy hakasi palai ka arpulai tarik jelio aja afuar kala Pynkup burom mi kisamla puli kibla pas ka eksamin SSLC but HSSLC aja afuar palang shpit penasian dak embos ya kan ni ka jimpun Pynkup burom bala pelang hasusu tham auditorium haka baladon lang ka Professor Kong Tiki Karbaman ka badai ka Vice Chancellor jang ka Martin Luther Christian Academy kum ka Kongsan ka Principal ka Kong Fidalin W Khan President ka Managing Committee Uba Chewan Star Kakrang Vice Principal Kong Ramona Lingdo Pastor Ishan Bok Langrin Tathyang Kinohikai Nang Shakhat Sobha Kimi Kipa Bakina School Asamru Kusnam Shimat Bakin Tobia Kusnam Tibet Hakikam Yelakai Kusnam Good Behavior Bakiwiki Way Habakren Kup ka Kongsan ka Kong Tiki Karbaman Kala Ai Kublai Bakit Bakit Ruyang Ikisamla Puli Kibla Pas Kikildan Baper Bakin Tu Bakin Dang Trishtam Badminat Top Hakijing Puli Badang Sa Kala Ai Kublai Ru Ikinai Kai Kibla Ai Kajing Kai Kibapyang Tam Bad Kumjuru Ikimikipa Kibla Kashan Ban Paskol Penang Pestat Apin Shongkon Ru Hakani Kasi Da Kijing Rai
trained and committed faculty. Over the years, Christian Academy has indeed achieved its mission through the testimony of the many students who have passed from this institution by developing character leadership with an education that is both spiritual and academic. The students testify of the commitment and dedication of the management, the principal, the faculty, and all those who have been the props to the institution. Graduates, it is my great pleasure to congratulate you on the completion of your degrees. I know your climb up the level was met with challenges unimaginable, undreamt of. The COVID-19 pandemic, which will be recorded in the history of each one of our lives and in our state and the world over. But this experience tested your resolve, your potential, and your capacities to the limit. With God's gracious mercies and your resilience, you have scaled up the ladder to be where you are today. Now as you stand at the peak, horizons of opportunity stretch out before you. Today you are at the entry of another journey in your life. The future, as the graduate had said, is mysterious, is unknown. It's exciting, it's challenging and daunting. Well, you do not know what the future holds, but with God at the vessel, you can rest assured that the future will go well with you. With the education you have received, there is no doubt that you will positively impact thousands of lives over the course of your journey. Have confidence in your talent. Your determination and the quality of the education you have received, the ideals and the values you have been taught in school will always be your guide. But let me offer you some snippets of advice. Certainly, the world beyond the school is attractive, it's alluring, but it can also be deceptive. Listen to your heart, and also seek advice and counsel before making a choice, decisions in your life. Be discreet, Be resolute before making a decision, but do not ever shrink from a challenge. The readiness to tackle challenges is what makes you a leader. It defines your personalities and your identities. The talents you have will certainly maximize your future success in society, the community, the country, and the world. But in the process, remember to also be humble in your attitudes towards your parents and your teachers. Remember, my dear graduates, you are here today because of them, both parents and teachers.
All the parents who I believe are happy and proud to witness this occasion with us. My fellow classmates, this ceremony marks the first milestone we have crossed together as fellow Christian Academites. As I stand here in front of you, my mind is full with all the memories collected over the number of years I have spent in Christian Academy. I joined Christian Academy as a toddler in play school known as khynnah. How time flies, and now I am standing here in this graduation ceremony with one foot already on another journey to be embarked. I am sure that most of my fellow classmates, including myself, are filled with many emotions like excitement, nervousness, and many more. I do believe we all have butterflies flapping their wings in our tummies. Jokes aside, my dear friends, let us all take a pledge today that we will give our best, try our best, and do our best in whatever stream of study we have chosen, so that one day we will all be great contributors to our beloved state and bring laurels and fame not only to our parents, but also to our school, our society, and most importantly to God. It would be incomplete on my part if I do not talk about the last 2 years of unexpected, unforeseen, and never before experience that we had to go through during the pandemic.